social media can be a really big trigger for a lot of youth. And when you leave school, you're still so well connected, right, to that. You don't get to just leave that environment if you're experiencing a negative experience, right? So it can follow you home. The world's very different these days and what they go through. So having conversations with your teen, I think, would be really important, and letting them know that, hey, if you're ever experiencing anything, it's okay to talk. I think that would depend from child to child and what their network looks like, but connecting with the child's school and talking to them about what resources exist at the school, with a counselor perhaps, and making sure the administration knows so they can help connect your child to the help that they may need, or their pediatrician as well. Letting them know that, if you're not comfortable talking to me, you can talk to, Dr. So-and-so, whoever that may be, or, maybe it is that coach, or maybe it is that teacher at school that they connect with. But there are people, that are trained that can help and connect that youth to the resources of the help that they may need, whatever that is. Connecting with your kid or your child, it can really depend on family to family and what works well for you. Sometimes it's being in the car, right, and you're traveling from place to place, or connecting over the dinner table might be good, or maybe there's a time before bedtime when you're able to come together as a family. Whatever your kind of routine is, but find that time and the space in the day, whatever you can do. But also being open about your own feelings and what you're going through as an adult. I think that's really helpful. But I think your kids know that getting you involved as a parent or their caregiver will be so important to help keeping that teen safe. One of the biggest barriers is stigma. People are afraid of what other people will think. And to a degree, I think we can all relate to that to some point. But when it comes to mental health, we really need to start talking about it the same way we do our physical health. If we openly talk about it and discuss it more openly, hopefully teens and youth and everybody will start to realize it's okay to come forward and start to understand I'm not alone.